Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today, as you can tell from the title, we're doing the micro twist again on this channel. So this is the second time I'll be doing this hairstyle, and a lot of things have changed in how I made this particular one compared to how I made the first one. The first one, my hair was very short. This one, my hair, it's been 1 year, so there's been like a difference in the length of my hair. If you want to see how I did it, the extension I used, how I grouped the roots, and just everything, keep watching. I'm also going to be using a different extension for this video or for this particular tutorial. Also, I might not make it as tiny as the first micro twist I did on myself. That first one was very tiny, but never say never. Another thing I would not be doing in this one is, the first one I did it like line by line, it was like the boxed pattern. This one I'm going to be doing like 3 patterns, but I'm going to go ahead now and section my hair into 4 or 6 so that I can work in bits. You guys know I like to do that. I like to like section my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do, so because this hairstyle is one hairstyle that you would probably be carrying for a long period of time, you want to make sure that your hair is washed and all of that. Another reason why I am doing this hairstyle is because the wedding planning took so much time that I have not been able to do my hair myself, and I have been doing a lot of install, wig, braids, cornrows, hair, and I just want my scalp to take a break. So I'm just going to install this, make this micro twist and leave it. So now that this part and this part are kind of equal, I can't see my back. I can't see my back. My husband was really insisting that I go to make it after, and I'm like, I'm sorry. If I did it once, I can do it again and again and again. So I will show you guys the extension that I'll be using in a bit. But before then, let's part my hair. So I'm going to part, as I am parting, I'll just put it in like big braids so that it doesn't shrink. You can also go ahead to actually watch my first time making micro twists, and I also have a video on the takedown process. So if you're really concerned about the takedown process, which was like something that a few people were concerned about when I made the micro twist myself the first time, I have a video on how to take it down, the entire process on how to take it down. I'll have a link in the description box. I hope I don't forget. So So what I have done to this side is what I'll do to this side. Okay. I watched so many videos on TikTok to know what extension that the girlies are using now, but I would be lying if I say I was not confused. There are so many extensions out there, and there are so many extensions to pick from. And I think the important thing is just for you to decide what you want your own micro twist to look like when you're done making it. So when I was going to pick the extension yesterday, I just picked blindly. I didn't even follow any recommendation again. And it is this one. Another thing I want to mention is, if you're trying to make micro twists, except that your hair is dyed, try as much as possible to use an extension in the color of your hair or in the color close to your hair, because a natural hair has a different texture from these extensions, and micro twist is something that you would have on for 6 to 8 weeks, and you want it to look as neat as possible for the longest time. So 2 different colors, especially when your natural hair is not blending well into the extension, it might not look as nice as you would want it to look. So I am using Darling in color 1, and I am using this one. So I bought one pack. I do not know if one pack would be enough, but we'll start with one pack. It's a Darling Natural Twist Long, and it's 30 inches. It's color 1, and it has a very soft, kinky feel to it, which is very similar to the texture of our natural hair. I saw so many extensions that people are using for micro twist, and I'm like, I can't. So I just went with this one. So this is what the pack looks like. I want to try and take a picture. So it has a very soft, kinky extension. Darling is really doing the most, guys. So this comes in like 2 separate packs, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12, 30 inches. Well, I want something that I would be able to pack. I don't. Where's my scissors? I don't want it too short, neither do I want it too long. So I think if I am starting from I actually want to start from the front. I don't know why. If I am starting from the front, I should do cut 4 because these extensions are actually stretching. So I'll do cut 4, and we'll see if I want to change it. So since I'm doing cut 4, I will go first like this, then do this. Okay. Yes, cut 4. You guys get it, right? Then this. Then I'll fluff it out. And I don't know if I'm starting like right now, but I'll fluff it out, fluff it out, fluff it out. Making my hair makes me so happy. So happy. So I just want to keep fluffing it out, fluffing it out. Hi guys, I am back, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a few strands of my micro twist. No, I said my micro twist like I'm the owner of micro twist. Anyways, so I am done with this side. I'm done with the back here. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at the grip. So we're going to do this. I have like a mirror by my side here, so I'm just going to start with this side so that you guys can see. So I am using this much or this little, and I don't cross it, and this is just what I will do. So just watch. Take this. So all I do is just twist down to the tip. So we're going to do it one more time. One more time. Oh, I finished on Friday. I had an event on Saturday, Sunday, church, and yesterday I was just very busy. So we're going to do the finishing touches together. As you guys can see, I avoided doing my the tiny parts, like my edges. So I just have it laid out. So I'm going to. I have also gone ahead to oil my scalp using coconut oil. I don't know what that sounds funny. I have a dinner later tonight and it just makes sense for me to trim this now. I really like the length. Unlike the previous one that I had done, the length was short, but this is a bit longer. I am still trying to fix this room to have like a proper filming room, so you guys should bear with me for now. I'm actually standing in front of a big mirror, like a full-length mirror. That is how I'm able to see what I am doing. It's to the side. So let me know in the comment section if you would ever try to do micro twist. I know the style has been trending since last year summer. And a few questions, like if you think that people really bother this, if it is heavy, no, it is not heavy. If it breaks your hair, no, it does not break your hair. The first time I did it myself and it didn't break my hair. So except if maybe, I don't know, well, I did it myself. I took it out myself and I have a video of the takedown process, so you might actually want to just watch that to give you like some motivation to know if or if not, you would want to make it. I don't know, I feel like you're good. So I'm just going to, like always, to maintain it. I intend to have this on for at least 6 to 8 weeks. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, let me know what other hairstyle you would want me to try out, and do not forget to click the subscribe button. That will mean so much to me. I'll see you in my next one.